everyone, I'm Jackie and you're watching How to Anything. Let me ask you a question. When is the last time you cleaned your kitchen appliances? It is a must to clean your kitchen appliances to make sure that they run efficiently and can also help your food stay safe from contamination. So today, I'm going to be walking you through 4 kitchen appliances and showing you how to clean them properly. Let's get scrubbing. Our very first appliance that we'll be cleaning today is the dishwasher. Now I know what you're thinking. Doesn't the dishwasher do the cleaning? Calcium and food particles will clog your filter and it will make your dishwasher less effective. And not only are you supposed to be cleaning your dishwasher, you're actually supposed to be doing it once a month. So first things first, we're gonna take the racks out. So all I'm doing here is taking hot water and soap and scrubbing down the rack completely. And speaking of soap and water, that's exactly what we're gonna do with the filter, which is the next step. And the last thing that we're gonna do is take this dishwasher cleaner, pop it in, and give it a cycle. With a few easy steps, cleaning your oven can be super simple. So we're gonna start things off by taking out the racks and soaking them in some water and soap. While the racks soak, we're gonna head over here and clean the interior of our oven. Now there's 2 ways that you can clean an oven. Most ovens come with a self-cleaner, so that's an option. And if you don't have a self-cleaner, then you can make a paste with baking soda and water and apply it to the interior and then scrub away. But since our oven has a self-cleaner, we're just gonna go ahead and press this button and let it clean itself. Okay, so our self-cleaner is officially done. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a rag and wipe down any debris that's left over. But before that, I'm gonna take off the oven door. It's a lot easier than it sounds. All right, now we're headed to the top of the oven. So a good rule of thumb is just to take everything off the top of your oven and soak it. So we're gonna take off the burner grills, put them in some soap and water, and make sure they soak to get off all that grime. As you can see, there's a lot of food on there, a lot of grease, so you definitely wanna soak them. Take off your gas caps, soak these too. See all of that grime on there? You could just wipe it down, but I definitely recommend soaking them as long as you can. It just really helps to get all that grease and extra food off. Okay, so we're gonna head back over to our oven with the sponge and scrub it. And it's better to go in with the sponge rather than just a towel because you wanna be able to get off all that dirt. All right, so let's go on in, and all you really need is just soap and hot water. Before you even wipe down your microwave, you're gonna wanna get baking soda and water, mix it together, put it in your microwave for 5 minutes, and what that's gonna help with is when you actually go in to clean the microwave, you will be shocked to see how easy it is for all that mess to wipe away. Last but not least is our refrigerator. Now I saved this one for last because it can seem like a daunting task, but I promise you it is very simple to clean out a fridge, and most importantly, it's rewarding. So the first thing you're gonna do is take out all that food that's been sitting there for a while, get it out of there, discard it, and then take out all the shelves, wipe them down, and then we're gonna go behind the fridge to where the coils are. We're gonna vacuum it up to create more airflow, and that way you have a fridge that will last longer. So when you get to behind the fridge, there's 2 things that you're gonna do. As you can see, there's so much dust, not only on the back of the fridge, but on the ground and even on the wall. So we're gonna vacuum all of that dust up. Then we're gonna take off the panel where the coils are. There's gonna be a lot more dust in there. We're gonna vacuum all that out, so it's really gonna help create more airflow, and then your refrigerator is gonna be able to breathe. That's it. As you can see, our kitchen appliances are shining. They are glistening. They truly have never looked better. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, you can get everything you need to clean your kitchen and appliances at your local Lowe's or at Lowes.com. And if you need any help while shopping, you could always ask a Lowe's Red Vest associate. They'll be more than happy to help. So make sure to like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what do you want to see in the next How to Anything video?